Good day to all. I am Dada de la Rosa, the Acting Youth Development Officer of the City of Naga, and I am going to present to you the Naga City Inclusive Governance Program Youth Edition. Why inclusive? Because the youth sector of the city government of Naga is part of the development of the program itself. Naga City is located within the heartland of the province of Camarines Sur. And based on the standards of the National Statistics Office, 100% of the barangays of the city is urban, and we have 1,900 residents per square kilometer. It is considered as densely populated city in Bicol. History has established the city of Naga as the religious, educational, and commercial center of the Bicol region. Thus, it is considered as the heart of Bicol. In the 2020 census, our population is pegged at 209,170. We have a total land area of 8,448 hectares, and our youth population is 44,218, again, based on the 2020 census. In the last 3 years, 2021, 2022, and 2023, Naga City is adjudged as the overall most competitive component city in the entire country. Our program basically emanates from the provision of the 1987 Constitution. It states that the state recognizes the vital role of the youth in nation building, and it shall protect the physical, moral, spiritual, intellectual, and social well-being. It shall inculcate in the youth patriotism and nationalism and encourage their involvement and civic affairs. The Naga City has 2 dedicated offices that implement program for the youth. The ESO, it's in charge of providing basic education support to the Department of Education of the national government. It includes educational facility development and improvement, and you will look at the picture on the left side of the presentation. It is the groundbreaking of one of the classrooms that are currently being constructed in the city. Our office, the Naga City Youth Development Office, is in charge of the establishment of community Wi-Fi program, but this is in partnership with the ESO, them being providing the necessary resources for this. The community Wi-Fi was developed when there was a viral picture. He is tapping into the Wi-Fi of a nearby hotel. This picture becomes viral in the city, and the one who posted that picture was invited. In that discussion, the community Wi-Fi program was established, and the one who posted the picture is SL. We are also conducting youth profiling, and by law, we are the office in charge for the registration of youth organizations in the city. We also conduct capacity development for the Naga City Council for Youth, and also representative from youth organizations. Currently, with the S²Cities and WeSolve Foundation, we are establishing the Youth Hub. It's a youth co-working space, and we are now underway for the Youth Innovation Program. The youth program is not only exclusively being implemented by these 2 offices. There are also other offices that are contributing to the development of the youth. Our City Social Welfare and Development Office is providing financial assistance for senior high schools. The Public Employment Service Office has a program called the Government Internship Program, and SPES, which is the Summer Providing Job. The Naga City Population and Nutrition Office is also implementing the Adolescent Youth and Sexual Reproductive Health Program. Our Children's Affairs Office is also providing assistance to the Council for the Welfare and Protection of Children. The city youth officials, this is an on-the-job internship program for various youths that they want to experience how to work in the government. Our Naga City Scholarship Program also has an ordinance, and including the Community First Responder Program. So having an ordinance, it institutionalized the program so that even if there are new elected officials that will be coming into the city government, these programs will continue. There are also ancillary programs. There's a pre-marriage orientation and other parental capacitation for parents. There's also the Sanggawadan. This is a program their children is helping in their livelihood, is being insured to participate in their school. So day of attendance in their school is converted into half kilo of rice. It's also the Quality Universal Education Empowerment in Naga. the Queen. The Queen program is to provide assistance to all parents wherein their children are enrolled in the public school, both in elementary and secondary education. So there's also the empowerment ordinance that creates the Naga City People's Council. This unique ordinance provide an opportunity for the civil society organizations in the sector to be represented in the development of programs and policies of the city. The youth sector directly sits at the Sangguniang Panglungsod. This is the local council in the city of Naga. This is a committee, a standing committee within that council wherein policies are discussed. Those that graduates from the city youth officials and those that graduates also as city scholar are priority in hiring personnel in the city government. We also have the Solo Parents Program. This program provides also incentives for those parents so that they can provide much better care for the youth and the children. They will be assured they will not be renting and they will be assured of their houses. So this also a program that are intended for those poor families in the city. And again, there's the Children Council. So overall, the program of the city for the youth is not only about the youth per se, but rather, even prior to the youth, there are already programs that will entail their development and their empowerment. Our city mayor always remind us that in participation of each individuals and in collaboration in governance is the foundation in realizing our place as a happy place. So, in behalf of the city government of Naga, through the leadership of our mayor, thank you very much.